Floki price prediction. I've gave you some really good trades on Floki, and the question is what will happen right now. This will be a no BS price prediction, so hit the like button and let's start. I placed a short. The first target would be VWAP, which we're almost getting. I placed a lot of shorts, as you can see from the last video. I uploaded over 20 shorts. Some of the most notable ones that are bigger size are BCH and Pump. We just saw $624,000 worth of shorts being open on Binance for 1,000 Floki Inu, which is the Floki Inu derivative, basically the one that you can trade with higher liquidity. And the first target would be 8,922, but we can go ahead and analyze this a little further. If we go to the weekly chart, type in Floki right here on Binance, you'll see something interesting. 1,000 Floki, here it is. And you gotta type it with 1,000, otherwise you can just check out Bybit. Some friends are messaging me in the meantime. So a good target would be 88628, 88628, 88628, which is right, 88628, which is where a lot, actually right here is good, which is where a lot of liquidations are lying. So hopefully we can get the these weak longs out of the photo, out of picture, and then we can even switch to a long position, even though Bitcoin is a little bearish right now and I'm more prone to taking shorts. This is it. If you want to learn more from me, I'll have daily videos. I have 20 post videos per day that I'm publishing. Plus, I also have some paid stuff in the Signals chat course in the description down below. But if you can't afford it, don't worry. I'll try to have as much value as possible on YouTube. See you next video. Bye.